Okay. So here we prove that cos A plus cos 120 plus A plus cos 120 minus A is equal to 0. So first we have to take that LHS, that is LHS. What is the LHS? The LHS is equal to cos A plus cos A plus cos of 120 plus A plus cos of 120 minus A. So first we have to prove that this can be taken as a cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D. That is a cos C plus cos D. What is the formula if it is a 1? Cos C plus cos D. What is the formula? The formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. That's here cos of 120 plus A plus of cos 120 minus A. This is nothing but a cos C plus cos D. What is C here? The C is equal to 120 plus A and D equal to 120 minus A. So therefore substitute in formula, we get that that is a cos C plus cos D, that is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. That is 2 cos of C value. What is the C? 120 plus A plus D value 120 minus A by 2 cos of 120 plus A minus of 120 minus A by 2. So we get that 2 cos of A will be cancelled, that is 240 by 2 cos of 120 cancelled, we get that 2A by 2. So this is nothing but 2 cos 120 into cos A. So that is a cos 120 degrees. We need to find the cos 120 degree. That is 2 cos of 120, nothing but a 90 plus 30 degree. And this is nothing but 2 cos 90 is nothing but a sin 30 minus into cos A. So we get that minus 2 into 1 by 2 into cos A. So therefore what is the value? The value is equal to minus 2 into sin 30, the value is equal to 1 by 2. We get minus cos A. So because sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. So we get that cos 120 plus A plus of 120 minus A is equal to minus cos A, taken as 2. From 1, what is the 1? Cos A plus cos 120 plus A plus of cos 120 minus A. That is a cos A plus this value is equal to, what is the value? The value is equal to minus cos A. Cos A minus cos A, that is cos A minus cos A, that is equal to 0, which it is equal to RHS, since from 2. So how we prove that? We prove that cos A plus cos 120A plus cos 120 minus A is equal to 0. First we have to take that LHS. What is the LHS part? The LHS part is equal to cos A plus cos 120 plus A plus cos 120 minus A. And this can be taken as a cos C plus cos D. What is the formula for cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Cos of 120 plus A plus cos of 120 minus A. This is nothing but a cos C plus cos D, and this is nothing but a C equal to 120 plus A and a D equal to 120 minus A. Substitute in the formula, we get that. So 2 cos 240 by 2 cos 2A by 2. That is nothing but 2 cos 120 into cos 20. 120 degrees can be written as 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 cos 90 plus theta is nothing but a minus sin theta. That is minus sin 30. So 30 value, sin 30 value is equal to 1 by 2. So finally we get that minus cos A. So from 1, what is the 1? Cos A plus cos 120 plus A plus cos 120 minus A. This value is equal to minus cos A. That is, we get that cos A minus cos A, the value is equal to 0. And next, and the next question is sin 78 degrees prove that sin 78 degrees minus sin 18 degrees plus cos 130 degrees is equal to 0. First we have to take that LHS. That is, what is the LHS? Sin 78 degrees minus sin 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees taken as 1. First, this can be taken as a sin C minus sin D. This part can be taken as sin C minus sin D. So that is nothing but sin C minus sin D. What is the formula for sin C minus sin D? That is 2 cos of C plus D by 2 sin of C minus D by 2. So that is sin 78 degrees minus sin 18 degrees. We compare that. That is, compare sin C minus sin D. What is C here? The C equal to 78 degrees and D equal to 18 degrees. Therefore, the formula is, what is the formula? The formula sin C minus sin D. What is the formula? 2 cos of C plus D by 2 sin of C minus D by 2. That is 2 cos of C plus D, 78 degrees plus 18 degrees by 2 sin of 78 degrees minus 18 degrees by 2. And this is nothing but a 2 cos of 16 96 by 2 sin of 60 by 2, and this is equal to 2 cos 48 degrees sin 30 degrees and taken as 2, and from 1, what is a 1? 778 degrees minus sin 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees. This is equal to 2 cos 48 degrees into sin 38 30 degrees plus of cos 130, this can be written as cos of 180 minus 48. So therefore we get that two into cos 48 degrees and sin 30 nothing but a 1 by 2 and nothing but a cos of 180 minus nothing but a cos of theta minus cos theta. 2 will be cancelled and we get that cos 48 degrees minus cos 48 degrees. The value is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Here that sin 30 degrees, the value is equal to 1 by 2 and cos of 180 minus theta minus 48, this is nothing but cos theta minus cos theta. And here that how we can solve this problem. Just we recall that we prove that sin 78 minus sin 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees equal to 0. First we have to take the LHS, that is sin 78 degrees minus sin 18 degrees plus cos 132 degrees. And this is nothing but a cos sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D, what is the formula? 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin of C minus D by 2. So we compare that C equal to 78 degrees and D equal to 18 degrees and we simplify, we get that 2 cos 48 degrees sin 30 degrees. So from 1 and we get that 2 cos 48 sin 30 degrees, cos 32 degrees. Cos 32 can be written as cos of 180 minus 48. So therefore cos of 180 minus theta is nothing but a minus cos theta and sin theta is sin 30 nothing but a 1 by 2. So we simplify, we get that cos 48 minus cos 48, the value is equal to 0.